What we were hoping to achieve through this project was to have a state-of-the-art, contemporary learning facility for our young people. Previously we had classrooms that were very much 1960s, 1970s style, and we wanted to have spaces that were in line with a much more contemporary pedagogy, but at the same time still had the ability to be able to close off into individual classrooms. So I guess, yeah, that hybrid version was what we were after.
The challenge was to try and think through the physical constraints of the building and the budgetary constraints that any project is going to have.
You know, it's a pretty big building, and to be able to completely refurbish it inside and out for the amount that we had in our grant, we were really thrilled about that.
So the main ideas were to try to integrate the interior and exterior of the building so that the spaces actually joined together, so that the classroom could potentially spill out into the play space and create some open learning areas that the school hasn't had in the past.
What we really valued about working with Architecture Matters was that the company were able to really, listen to us and go away and come up with ideas and designs that would match what we were after.
The school needed to reflect the vitality of its students and of its broader community. They really have a need for a more colourful and, I suppose, playful environment. And there was an opportunity to open up between the classrooms so that they could operate and interact between them, and to have that flexibility so that teachers could work between classrooms, still be able to close them off as they need to, and also to open them up so that they can work between, work out into the corridor space. The children that are here on the ground level are the prep children, and they're really trying to find their way through this big place, this new place, and by giving them the path, it gave them a way into their new space. Once we were in the space, we also wanted to try and capture some of the playground, and by taking our path through from inside to the outside through colour, and also through the surface, that was a way of telling the children in here, that's actually part of your classroom. You can go out there. The colours help to create an identity for the building, and they run through from downstairs upstairs as well. So each room has its own identity, and that helps give the children a sense of place.
Our young people, many of them come from highly disadvantaged backgrounds, and for them to be able to come to school every day to facilities like these, and to, there wouldn't be better facilities going around, so to be able to come here and have that opportunity to enhance their learning is just wonderful. So our kids are very, very excited about the facilities, both inside and out, and our staff are very excited about it. I know nearly all of our teachers want to teach either Prep 1 or 2 because of the facilities. So yeah, it's been a wonderful success.